come on, make him do it.
Look, they laid it and it flat on the floor.
Nice. Come on, go. He's like, no, I don't want to.
Shut up.
Try it, see if he'll do it.
You do that. I'm careful touching you.
Will you please just leave me alone while I'm wet?
Shut up! Now he decides to come out. You! Got face on it, innit? Oh, okay, I'll tell you one time, there's a bird up there, and I was stood here, I was leaning over to get an egg, and I felt something warm drop on there. A bird pooped on me, it was horrible. And luckily there's a towel out there. 400 centimetres from standing on an egg. Did you get it when I was in?
I did.
That was even better. Babies. Mum, I had Max in my hands and I was